Hi guys, my name is Gautam Krishna. Welcome to my channel Gautam Vlogger. Welcome back to part 2 of our 50 mind-blowing facts you can't unlearn. If part 1 surprised you, these next 10 facts will take things to a whole new level. If you did not see part 1, I will post the link in the description below. Please watch it. Let's get started. Fact number 11. A cockroach can survive for over a week without his head. It doesn't bleed out because its body seals the wound, and it doesn't need a brain to breathe. Its body takes in oxygen through tiny holes along its sides. The only reason it eventually dies is because it can't drink water. Nature is terrifying. Fact 12. Wombats poop cubes. Their intestines shape their waste into perfect cubes so the poop doesn't roll away. Why? Because wombats use their cube-shaped poop to mark territory. Scientists only figured this out recently, and yes, it's just as weird as it sounds. Fact 13. There's a jellyfish that can technically live forever. When threatened, injured, or old, the Turritopsis dohrnii resets its body back to its earliest form, essentially turning itself young again. It's one of the only known creatures that can biologically reverse its age, making it functionally immortal. Fact 14. Your teeth are just as strong as shark teeth. Sharks may look scarier, but the material in human enamel is almost identical in hardness. The difference? Sharks constantly replace their teeth, hundreds throughout their lives, while we get 2 sets total. Fact 15. More than half of the oxygen you breathe doesn't come from trees. It comes from the ocean. Tiny organisms called phytoplankton float on the surface of the sea and release oxygen during photosynthesis. They're the hidden lungs of the planet. Without them, we literally wouldn't survive. Fact 16. A year on Mercury lasts only 88 days. That means if you lived on Mercury, you'd have several birthdays a year. Mercury is so close to the Sun that it whips around it at incredible speed, making its year one of the shortest in our solar system. Fact 17. Your brain produces enough electricity to power a small light bulb. Every thought, every memory, every movement is created by tiny electrical signals firing between neurons. Right now, your brain is creating constant electrical activity, even when you sleep. Fact 18. Cats can't taste sweetness at all. Their taste buds don't have the receptors needed to detect sweet flavors. That's why they ignore cakes, candy, and sugary snacks. Their brains simply don't register sweetness the way ours do. Fact 19. The hottest planet in the solar system isn't the one closest to the Sun. Mercury gets the most sunlight, but Venus is hotter because its thick atmosphere traps heat like a giant oven. Temperatures on Venus can melt lead. That's how extreme it is. Fact 20. Mount Everest is getting taller every year. The Himalayan mountains are still rising because the Earth's tectonic plates are pushing against each other. It's a reminder that even the tallest mountain on Earth is still changing, very, very slowly. And that wraps up part 2 of our 50 mind-blowing facts series. If you're ready for part 3, let's hit 500 likes again and I'll drop it even faster. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next 10. They're the craziest ones yet.